Kylie and Sophia's baking experience. Today we are going to show you how to make homemade edible cookie dough. And if you watch to the end, then we will tell you our family secrets.
Let's get right into the baking.
These are the ingredients you need to make cookie dough.
Butter,
Flour,
sugar,
brown sugar,
vanilla extract,
and some salt.
Some measuring cups and some milk.
And
Some mixing materials.
so first we're gonna need the butter to be put. You need like 1/2 cup of butter,
But that's a whole stick of butter.
basically.
Then you add some sugar. You're gonna add, oh my bad. We're gonna add some brown sugar, my bad.
3/4 cups of brown sugar.
We're just laughing because this reminds us of the time when we were little. And then
You're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
you're gonna need some sugar. This is 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
And after you add your tablespoon, ooh, I can see, you mix this all together.
Yeah. And
But if it gets difficult to mix in with the spoon, you can use your hands. If it gets difficult to mix in with the spoon, you use your hands.
and make sure to wash your hands too.
Before you start baking.
And we did before. So trust.
And while she's mixing it in, you add your vanilla extract. You can add as much vanilla extract as you want, but we're gonna start it light with 1/2 tablespoon. Dry stuff. You add 1 cup of flour.
And here's your milk.
This right here is about 1 cup of flour. And as she mixes, I pour it all in. And then,
2 of these.
no, we add the salt in this. Then you add some salt in. You add you add 1 you add about 1/2 cup of salt. While she mixes that. This is how it should look. I know it doesn't seem like it's coming together, but it will. Trust. Then you add the milk.
tablespoons of milk.
Make sure to pour over your bowl and have your mixer keep mixing, just in case you spill. Then you start mixing in with your, well, keep mixing. And as she mixes, we're gonna add our secret ingredient, white chocolate M&Ms, white chocolate chips. I forgot. Don't be shy with anything else. If you can add anything of your choice, anything that you like better than white chocolate M&Ms, but this is just our preference. Don't be shy, guys. Don't be shy with the white chocolate chips.
You really were shy.
Make sure to get every single corner. Make sure to get every single corner of it. And that's pretty much as easy as the recipe. You can really add anything of your choice that you want.
Like some cookie dough.
Cookie dough tastes the same next day.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
This is good.
It's better every single time.